Hello everyone! This is the final episode of the Suzhou Auto Show series. Let me start with an objective and straightforward industry conclusion. China's new energy vehicles are no longer merely overtaking on curves, but taking the lead on a new track, on the brand new global automotive track. A complete and highly competitive industrial ecosystem has taken shape here. In this episode, we will not focus on individual car models, but view it from an industrial perspective, to objectively analyze the current status and future development trends of China's new energy vehicle industry. At this stage, China's new energy vehicle market has bid farewell to the extensive growth era of low-price competition and blind capacity expansion. From vehicle manufacturing, power batteries, and intelligent driving algorithms, to mature upstream and downstream supply chains, the entire industry chain is undergoing an irreversible structural industrial upgrade. In this video, I will adopt a third-party objective perspective, break down the industry in plain language, and help you understand industry barriers, enterprise division, and technological iteration logic. First, let's look at the cornerstone of the entire industry, the core force sustaining industrial development, which is China's state-owned automotive groups, SAIC, BAIC, GAC, Changan, Great Wall, and others, serve as the backbone of China's automobile manufacturing industry. These Chinese state-owned automakers possess top-tier production capacity and complete supplier systems, along with long-term and stable R&D capital investment. Many overseas audiences simply classify these enterprises as traditional car makers, which is actually a cognitive misunderstanding. Chinese state-owned automakers undertake fundamental vehicle manufacturing work, equipped with complete R&D systems and large intelligent factories, as well as strict supply chain management capabilities. During cycles of industry fluctuations and raw material price volatility, their massive production capacity stabilizes the supply and demand balance of the entire supply chain. In the field of electrification, leading Chinese state-owned automakers have built exclusive pure electric and hybrid platforms. GAC develops safe magazine batteries, Changan focuses on pure electric platforms. Great Wall specializes in multi-mode hybrid technology, and SAIC independently develops batteries and electronic control systems. These underlying technologies form the manufacturing cornerstone of China's automotive industry. In terms of intelligence, these enterprises focus on electrical and electronic architecture, intelligent chassis, active and passive safety, and industrial production standards. Compared with emerging car makers, Chinese state-owned automakers prioritize product stability, production consistency, and extreme environment reliability, which are the most critical evaluation indicators for a mature automotive industry. To put it simply, Chinese state-owned automotive groups stabilize the foundation of China's automobile industry and maintain the baseline standards of industrial manufacturing. Based on this stable industrial foundation, private innovative automakers continuously optimize user experience and raise the upper limit of industrial products. At this Suzhou Auto Show, I have focused on 4 representative private brands: BYD, Xiaomi, Leapmotor, and Onvo, a household-oriented subsidiary of NIO. The core value of private emerging automakers is not merely manufacturing transportation vehicles. They have reshaped vehicle usage logic, business service models, and human-vehicle interaction logic, and put user demands at the forefront of R&D, which has also forced the global automotive industry to transform from pure industrial manufacturing to an experience-oriented product mindset. I will break down the differentiated positioning of these 4 brands one by one. First of all, BYD ranks among the world's top new energy vehicle manufacturers by sales volume and is one of the very few enterprises with fully vertically integrated industrial chains. Batteries, motors, electronic controls, and automotive semiconductors are all self-developed and self-produced, relying on blade batteries, DMI hybrid technology, and TB body integration structure to build strong cost control capability and product stability. BYD covers markets from entry-level household vehicles to mid to high-end models, relying on large-scale production capacity, mature supply chains, and global overseas layout, becoming a mass production benchmark in the global new energy industry, and the most recognized Chinese automotive brand in overseas markets. Xiaomi Auto is a typical model of technology enterprises entering the automotive industry, relying on a huge user base of mobile phones and IoT devices. Xiaomi builds an all-scenario ecosystem connecting vehicles, phones, and smart homes, and connects automobiles, mobile phones, and smart home terminals via self-developed Hyperos. It features self-developed architecture, high-voltage fast charging, and intelligent interaction as core selling points, accurately targeting technology enthusiasts and young consumer groups. With mature supply chain management and internet blockbuster product operation thinking, Xiaomi has quickly entered the mid to high-end pure electric track, becoming one of the most efficient cross-border car makers. NIO has built an exclusive battery swapping energy supplement system, matched with battery as a service and high-end offline service ecosystem, forming irreplicable technological and service barriers, anchoring the high-end pure electric vehicle market. Leapmotor adopts a technology-inclusive strategy, equipping affordable models with advanced intelligent driving hardware and algorithms, lowering the threshold of intelligent technology, enabling ordinary consumers to experience high-level intelligent driving. As for Onvo, it is an industrially valuable brand at this auto show. It fully adopts NIO's mature 3 electric system, chassis, and battery swapping technology, targeting the mainstream household vehicle market. It removes redundant high-end configurations, retains high-standard manufacturing craftsmanship, and focuses on simple and practical family travel solutions. Different from BYD, Xiaomi, NIO, and Leapmotor, Onvo realizes the popularization of high-end technologies, proving that leading automakers can rely on one integrated industrial system to cover consumer markets at all levels. These private car makers continuously promote industrial technological iteration and service upgrading, driving Chinese state-owned automakers to optimize intelligence and service systems. The two types of enterprises form complementary advantages. Chinese state-owned automakers consolidate the manufacturing foundation, while private automakers optimize user experience, jointly raising the overall industrial standards. After talking about vehicle manufacturing, let's dig deeper. The core competitiveness of new energy vehicles lies in power batteries, led by CATL. China owns a complete power battery industrial chain, from cathode and anode materials, separators, and electrolytes, to cell packaging and battery management systems. The whole chain achieves independent controllability, endowing the supply chain with strong risk resistance. Objectively speaking, most mainstream vehicles currently on the market are still equipped with liquid lithium-ion batteries, restricted by physical properties of chemical materials. Liquid batteries have inherent drawbacks such as energy density limits, low temperature attenuation, and charging heat generation, which are common technical pain points for global new energy vehicles. Looking into the future, the global industry has formed a unified and clear technical roadmap. Liquid batteries will gradually evolve into semi-solid batteries, and finally develop into all-solid-state batteries. Semi-solid batteries will be the mainstream for commercialization in the next 2 years. Enterprises including CATL, GAC, and Dongfeng are mass-producing semi-solid battery cells, with an energy density reaching 350 to 360 kilowatt-hours per kilogram. All solid-state batteries are currently in the pilot test stage, with a laboratory energy density exceeding 500 kilowatt-hours per kilogram. After completing vehicle certification and cost reduction, they will completely redefine the performance limit of power batteries for an intuitive improvement. High-end vehicles equipped with semi-solid and all-solid-state batteries in the future will have a battery capacity exceeding 150 kWh, combined with lightweight body and electronic control optimization. The CLTC cruising range can steadily reach 1,200 to 1,500 kilometers. With the upgrading of battery technology, range anxiety and charging anxiety will continue to weaken. The vehicle energy structure, public charging system, and user travel habits will undergo disruptive changes, and pure electric vehicles will adapt to all travel scenarios. Beyond energy storage, intelligent driving is the most intuitive track of industrial transformation in recent years. The vast majority of civilian passenger vehicles worldwide only stay at the L2 level assisted driving stage. Vehicles can only realize basic car following and lane keeping, unable to handle complex road conditions independently. Drivers must stay focused throughout the journey, which is not true autonomous driving. In the next 2 to 3 years, Chinese automakers will focus on breaking through the commercialization bottlenecks of L3 and L4 high-level autonomous driving, relying on LiDAR, high computing chips, high-precision maps, and massive local traffic data. China's intelligent driving system has formed a closed loop of data and algorithms in terms of adaptability to complex road conditions, maintaining a world-leading level. Technological iteration ultimately serves users. Future high-level intelligent driving will realize full process non-manual intervention from departure to destination. Urban congestion, highway cruising, automatic parking, and complex mixed traffic intersections. Vehicles can independently perceive, judge, and drive, greatly reducing driving pressure. Therefore, future automobiles will no longer simply pursue mechanical handling performance. Vehicles will gradually evolve into intelligent mobile living spaces, retaining manual driving mode for driving fun, equipped with high-level intelligent driving for commuting and long-distance travel, achieving full scenario and all-group adaptability. With the synchronized evolution of vehicles, batteries, and intelligent driving, we finally analyze from a global perspective the industrial evolution pattern in the next 3 years. The industrial division of labor is already very clear. Leading Chinese state-owned automakers control manufacturing standards, production processes, and supply chain stability, guaranteeing industrial security. Private new energy automakers focus on intelligent technology, user services, and business model innovation, expanding product competitiveness. Power battery enterprises master underlying energy material technologies, providing core support for vehicle performance iteration. The logic of market competition has been completely transformed. China's automobile market has moved away from low-price competition and gradually shifted to comprehensive premium based on technology, quality, and brand. Vehicles, batteries, and intelligent driving form an independent, complete industrial chain. The entire industrial chain iterates collaboratively, without obvious weaknesses. In the next 2 to 3 years, semi-solid batteries, high-level intelligent driving, and global layout will become core keywords for industrial qualitative changes, completely rewriting the competition rules of the global automotive industry. This wraps up our coverage of the Suzhou Auto Show. We maintain an objective perspective, recording industrial iteration, analyzing business logic, and focusing on physical manufacturing. I'm Sonia. I will bring you more insights from upcoming tech and industrial expos. Goodbye.